Good day everyone. Today we will discuss about compartmentation and how it affects watertight integrity of a ship. What is compartmentation? Compartmentation means dividing the ship into small watertight parts. This helps stop water from the spreading if there is damage. Purpose of compartmentation. The main goal is to keep the ship safe. Even if one part is damaged, the ship can still float and stay balanced. Watertight bulkheads. Bulkheads are like strong walls inside the ship. They separate space so water cannot move to other areas. Watertight decks. Watertight decks prevent water from spreading vertically inside the ship. Watertight doors and hatches. These doors allow movement, but during emergency, they must be closed to stop flooding. Subdivision load line. This line is show how deep the ship can go in water while still safe, even if some compartments are flooded. Effects of compartmentation of watertight integrity. Containment of flooding. Compartmentation keeps water in one place so the whole ship will not flood. Enhanced stability. By controlling water, the ship remains stable and will not easily tilt. Improve damage tolerance. Even if the ship is damaged, it can still stay afloat because flooding is controlled. Compliance with standards. Ships follow rules like SOLAS to make sure they are safe and can survive flooding.
So here's the key concept related to compartmentation. So the first one is floodable length. This is the maximum part of the ship that can be flooded without sinking. So if the water goes above this line, the ship becomes unsafe. And the second one is permeability. So some space filled with water faster than others. So this is a affect flooding. And the third one is progressive flooding. So if the barriers fail, so the water can spread. And here's the good compartmentation prevent. So the first one is advantages. So the compartmentation makes the ship safer and cashier to manage during emergencies. And the second one is the challenges. If door if doors are open, so the water can spread, and also moving water can make the ship unstable. So the third one is maintenance. Proper maintenance and training helps keep the ship safe and ready during emergencies. Conclusion. In conclusion, compartmentation is very important because it prevents flooding and keeps the ship safe.